Okay, it's February 2nd, 2011. This is the aftermath of the major winter storm that hit most of the Midwest United States and went as far as the Northeast. The storm literally went from Oklahoma to Chicago to Hartford, Connecticut. You can see some shoveling I did here earlier. Snowbanks are up pretty high. Streets are in rather poor condition. The depth of the snow is pretty extreme. We're around here, about 18.5 inches. Snowplow going by. Got a good amount of ice in the trees as well. Pretty much has stopped everything in the city for the last 2 days. Back here you can see our giant snowbank from having the driveway cleared out. It's the first time we've had to actually pay someone to come in and clear us out in years. And back here is the shoveling I had to do myself. There used to be a giant snowdrift over there. That was a lot of shoveling. Deepest part was about 4 feet deep. That's the average for a lot of snowbanks. Thank you for watching.